Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video contains a very beautiful blend of different design ideas of hand embroidery that could be designed onto your shirts, kurti, kameez, gown, peplum, or any type of top that you are going to wear along with the beautiful matching of your bottoms. So guys, let's move forward towards our detailing. Guys, this video is unique in the context that in this video you are going to get amazing different stylized patterns of hand embroidery, that how you can design your dresses. You are not only going to get different patterns of neckline embroidery, but you are also going to get different stylized pattern of neckline, like side neckline, like central neckline motif, like sleeve embroidery, like hemline embroidery, like bottom embroidery, like side line pocket embroidery, like central corner motifs, like all over floral embroidery patterns, and many other different patterns based on hand embroidery. The beauty of this collection is that these patterns are also applicable for making machine embroidery and also for liquid embroidery as well. So this thing make these patterns more unique. As you know that summers are at full swing and festive season is near, so you can design these very beautiful patterns of embroidery for making your Eid outfit. Also, you can also design to make any sort of formal event more decent and elegant. And everybody would ask you from which highly paid designer you have bought, then you would simply just tell them about my channel and they could also get crazy and trendy ideas. Guys, we try our best to share amazing ideas on daily basis. Guys, I would suggest you to do try to follow these color combinations and patterns and share your experiences with us, which design you have tried and how was your output and what was the result. And we try our best on daily basis to share an amazing collection of trendy women outfits. So your task is to keep supporting us as you always have been, and you can subscribe from other devices as well to increase the number of YouTube friends and family members. So hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new upcoming video. Up till, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave massive comments. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, go explore my channel and watch the comprehensive and a lot of amount of content which I have shared with you to give you broader perspective of women fashion.